Norwegians have saying that there is nothing like bad weather, you may only have bad clothes. After 6 days I have spent together with Svatopluk and Martin on Saltfjellet, I think that there actually is something like bad weather. 6 days of strong winds, low visibility and struggling through deep snow.
To brat trhanák prevrátil saně a šlap pedály. Je to boj o holý život.
We made only 55 kilometers with our sledge, but every kilometer was a great practice of navigation in bad weather.
I'm melting the snow, preparing the water for daily real tourmat.
We get out of the tents. It came quite a lot of snow and wind in the night again, and the weather is pretty much the same as yesterday on Monday, but we are continuing. Four and a half hours going 8 kilometers. It was really super slow today, but it was really extremely difficult. Plenty of new snow, plenty of wind. Svatopluk, we made it.
Chili curry soup with Parmigiano Reggiano and a little bit of garlic.
We are in the tent, meanwhile it is minus 12, 13 outside. We are chilling inside.
Right, it's pretty cozy, and we study the map where we are.
So where are we?
Right under the Saltfjellet ridge, somewhere around this lake without a name. Shall we name it?
We are now taking lunch on a place which has a little bit less wind than we had other places, or all the day today. And as you might see, we are quite white.
6 days in blizzard is a great way to learn more about yourself and how to control your thoughts and fears. This trip wasn't about conquering long distances, but about finding the moments of beauty, even though it was quite discomfort most of the time.
Ešte chceli normálne na nejaký krátky výlet na bežkách alebo niečo. Že? Pôjdem tady na vrcholek.